The Škoda Octavia is our best-selling model and a successful icon. The new version shows, with its fresh and distinctive elements, that we worked hard to make it look even better. The precise and unique details on the lights are the result of the implementation of our Škoda design DNA and our dedication to top quality.
With this new model, we kept the Octavia silhouette, but we created a new front and rear end, giving the car a fresh expression. We have emphasized the width of the car by creating generous surfaces, stretching the elements from side to side. At the bottom, we have created a new mesh, which is even integrated into the air curtain. We have connected the grille and the lamps and created a really white mask. And we have created a light signature, which is embracing the grille.
Exactly. This gave us the chance to design very expressive and unique daytime running light. At the same time, following the typical double light scheme of the Octavia. In the rear, the typical C-shaped signature is segmented now. Our famous rear crystals grow directly from the tail light. Turn indicator is strictly horizontal and creates more slim impression.
At the back, you will find the new Škoda lettering. The distinctive bottom element stretches from side to side. All of this makes the whole rear of the new Octavia more sporty.
With the new Octavia, we have redefined our material selection for the interior. We are introducing a curated design selection with a holistic material concept to emphasize the essence of what the Octavia stands for. A sophisticated car with an innovative twist on elegance.
Our design selection suite features a carefully selected combination of colors and materials. The cognac tone of the leather, which is beautifully warm and welcoming, is combined with a grey metal accent paint. This creates a relaxing and calming interior. The contrast double stitching on the seat and on the dashboard, in combination with its corresponding decor, adds class. The suite design selection is our best example of bringing together a modern and premium feel and merging them with the comfort and ergonomics that customers expect from the Octavia.
The new RS is our most expressive Octavia model, with a new glossy black grille, the RS mesh and glossy air curtains. The dynamic body color wings and the specially designed RS wheels add a sporty character to this new model.
At Škoda Auto, software security is a top priority, especially in developing and producing our new models. The upgraded Octavia now features redesigned electronic architecture, bringing it in line with the latest cybersecurity standards. We actively work to identify and counter security threats and address vulnerabilities by releasing software updates as needed. These updates are accessible even when the car is with the customer.
For the first time in this model series, a 13-inch infotainment display with navigation is available as an option. The new Octavia introduces updated software with a better user interface reflecting Škoda's new corporate identity. This includes an even more intuitive menu structure for the infotainment system, expanded options for customization, and new navigation maps. We have retained haptic control for volume and map navigation via the touch slider under the display. And thanks to the internet connectivity of Laura voice assistant, there are more control options than ever. We have doubled the wireless phone box charging power to 15 watts to support more demanding applications. We have also boosted the USB-C socket to 45 watts. The traditional analog instrument cluster has been fully replaced by display technology, offering various views and content. A standout feature of the new model is the second-generation LED matrix beam headlights. These not only offer improved performance, but also a distinctive new light signature. They feature two LED modules highlighted by an innovative crystallinum element. This emphasizes the contours of the headlights with the appearance of colored crystal. The outer bi-LED module is used for the low and high beam. Meanwhile, the inner module contains 36 metric segments in 2 rows, 12 more than its predecessor. This design improves illumination and more effectively shields oncoming drivers when the high beam is on. A third LED block positioned between the 2 modules serves as the side light and includes an all-weather light and cornering function. Additionally, the LED front fog lights have been replaced with an all-weather function. All headlights in the series use LED technology as standard.
The family of driver assistance systems has evolved significantly to enhance safety and driving comfort.
The updated Octavia comes with a range of versatile, modern and highly efficient engines with outputs ranging from 85 to 195 kilowatts. Besides petrol and diesel engines, mild hybrid versions are also available.
The 2-litre petrol engines with 150 and 195 kilowatts use AVS variable valve lift. Improved motor management enhance the performance. Even the high-efficient Budak cycle engine has increased performance from 140 kilowatts to 150 kilowatts. This engine uses variable timing of the intake valves, switching between Budak and Otto cycles. The compression phase is shortened by closing the intake valve earlier. This leads to less air in the cylinder, thus reducing the compression ratio relative to the expansion ratio and increasing combustion efficiency. The switch to the Otto cycle occurs when maximum engine power is needed.
The top petrol engine in the Octavia RS now delivers 195 kilowatts, 15 kilowatts more than the previous model. The 2-liter TDI engines are now more robust. The adsorption catalyst has been enlarged, which helps capture ammonia more efficiently and making the after-treatment system ready for the next emission requirements. Both engines employ variable geometry turbocharger and features AdBlue injection with windowsing system.
The base engine of the updated Octavia is now the 1.5 TSI from the new Evo 2 generation of engines, known for its outstanding efficiency, lower consumption, and the ability to burn blended fuels with renewable content, for example ethanol. This engine operates in the efficient Miller cycle and uses a variable geometry turbocharger, offering a better response across the entire RPM range and lower fuel consumption. Under lower loads, the engine uses a new version of active cylinder deactivation, which is software optimized and works in a wider range of situations. The engine has optimized cooling, consisting of the redesigned water jacket in the cylinder head and new oil cooling channel in the piston. Important for emission reduction are the active oil separator and, of course, the new design of the emission aftertreatment system with separated but still close-coupled catalytic converter and particulate filter.
The DSG automatic transmission now has an improved shifting system. The engines of the updated Octavia are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission.
A well-tuned chassis is essential to the driving characteristics of any car. The new Octavia comes with a wide range of engines, so we have selected chassis technologies based on the performance, drive type and weight to ensure maximum safety as well as excellent handling and outstanding comfort.
For all engine variants, we use the well-proven McPherson front axle with lower triangular transverse arms. Just like before, cars with engines delivering up to and including 110 kilowatts are fitted with the light and compact torsion beam rear axle. Front-wheel drive engines over 110 kilowatts and all engines coupled to the optional 4-wheel drive come with the multi-link rear axle for excellent control and stability. The new Octavia has a hydraulic dual-circuit brake system with an electromechanical booster. The brake system is tailored to the character of the respective engine variant. Safety features such as anti-lock brake, electronic differential lock, and electronic stability control, including trailer stability assist, are always present. Besides the standard chassis, the new Octavia offers the option of raising it by 15 millimeters as part of the rough road package, or lowering it by 15 millimeters for the sports chassis. You can also opt for the electronically controlled adaptive chassis DCC, which actively adjusts damper characteristics to the current driving situation with respect to the driver's wishes. You can choose between DCC and DCC Sport, which sits 10 millimeters lower. The highlight of the range is the RS Sport chassis, which you can also upgrade with adaptive dampers.
The new model also boasts an optimized power steering system with improved tuning. Just like before, you can optionally select the progressive power steering, which makes maneuvering in tight spaces easier and improves handling on curvy roads. The new Octavia RS also comes with an improved control system for the front axle limited slip differential for even better traction.
The new model's look is enhanced by 3 new alloy wheel designs. These complement both the classic and aerodynamic wheel options. The new 19-inch alloy wheel can now be ordered, the first time for the Octavia, with a large design aerodynamic cover.
The Octavia has been our bestseller for over 20 years, ever since the first generation was introduced. It will remain a key model of our company, being the heart of our iconic brand. The Octavia consistently ranks among the top 10 best-selling models in Europe. The Combi Estate version, in particular, is extremely successful in terms of sale, as the top-selling model in nearly half the countries in Europe. Since 2016, the Octavia Combi has been the best-selling estate in Europe across all segments.
What's the secret of its success? It's a combination of factors. The Octavia offers a spacious and functional interior, including the largest boot in its class. It combines this with a timeless design, modern technology, and excellent value for money.
This mix is appreciated especially by business clients who focused on overall running cost, reliability, and comfort on long journeys. Over 70% of our customers are fleets.
We're introducing the updated Škoda Octavia with 2 basic trim levels, Essence and Selection, with a wide choice of interiors. This is complemented by highly successful variants like the Sportline and the RS. The RS has found fans not only in Europe, but also in countries like Australia, thanks to its sporty character, dynamic features, and spaciousness. 1 in every 8 Octavias sold is an RS. The Octavia is a classic family car, which is our brand's focus. It's tailor-made for our customers, everyday explorers looking for a versatile and cost-effective car. Our models always bridge different segments, allowing us to reach a wider range of customers. The Octavia is no exception, appealing to both compact and mid-size car buyers.
I am delighted to introduce the latest Simply Clever features of the Octavia.
For rear passengers, we've added a new storage compartment. This versatile space is ideal for securing bags, cups, or bottles, and there's now a multimedia holder, available even on sport seats.
In the passenger door, you will discover an additional umbrella, now crafted from recycled materials. The updated ice scraper is as well.
Turning to the boot, it features a multifunctional storage pocket and now boasts 2 new multi-purpose hooks. Each hook is able to support up to 2 kilograms, adding practicality to your storage options.
These Simply Clever features are designed to make your daily life more convenient and enjoyable.
Škoda Auto has further refined the Octavia's high level of active and passive safety in the updated version. The new Attention and Drowsiness Assist uses an innovative algorithm to assess driver behavior more precisely. The updated Octavia comes with up to 10 airbags, while further assistance systems take driver convenience to a new level.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.